Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today, we're going to be doing a minimalistic piece with only 3 colors and a black and white cell activator. So we'll get down to the colors in just a second. We're going to be working on an 8 by 20 canvas, and my intention with this is to do as little as I can on my initial swipe and to do a scoop and drag to pull out whatever I can and create my composition. We'll see how that goes. Colors for today are going to be 3 colors. It's Payne's Gray by Amsterdam, Hammerhead by This Little Piggy, Interference Gold by Golden. Payne's Gray and the Interference Gold are both 2 paints, whereas the Hammerhead, which is a gray blue with a interference blue underneath that, is a pigment by This Little Piggy, and it started as a powder. I loosened it up with just a little bit of Josonia varnish and then mixed it with my pouring medium. As always, my pouring medium has been Vaspar Ultra, a high gloss base 3 with Varathane polyurethane triple thick. My 2 cell activators are going to be Amsterdam Oxide Black and Titanium White. 1 part paint to 3 parts Australian floetrol. That's the magic sauce. So without any further ado, I am going to get you down to the canvas and we're going to get started.
Okay, first thing down is going to be PPG Multi-Pro. This is my pillow paint. It's been my pillow paint for well over a year now. I love the consistency of it. It's a product I get at Home Depot here in the States. This is Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. I'm going to coat the back of my hair pick and make a swath through to give myself basically composition lines to follow. It also serves a secondary purpose that it gives some interest and flow. Okay, these are my cell activators you're going to be seeing today. That's 24 karat gold. And I've loaded up the back of my swiping tool with the colors you just saw. And I'm going to do a nice even coat across the back. My hope with this was to create a swipe that I could create a minimalist composition from. I'm going to go through and do some scooping and dragging, pulling out cells that I can see, and to start to work on the flow of the composition that it's going to be in the end. There was some very nice cells on the end that I'm working on now. The other side, I thought there were some cells there, but I think you'll see later that there wasn't as many as I originally thought. This takes some time. Playing in the paint is definitely the most enjoyable part of this process for me. This has been sitting there a while, so I had to pick up a tool and go underneath the paint to try to break up any skin that might be there, and also to start to move the pillow paint back into the middle, so I have some more there to spin out. It's always my intent to not have to add extra pillow paint to the canvas. The more pillow paint you have, the more you have to spin, and the more you lose from your composition. This is spreading out nicely. I'm seeing that I do have some dry canvas that I'm going to have to deal with. But I will tell you that this is a great step in the right direction for me because I really didn't have to do much. Okay, did a lot of spinning. I cut a little bit of this out because this part of the painting took almost 20 minutes by itself. And I'm seeing that the composition is what I like, and I think we're about ready for the flyover. Now, I don't know that you can see this, but the interference gold and the 24 karat gold have played very nicely together, and it's a major part of the composition. The rest of it looks like it's black and white or gray and white, and although you can't see the hammerhead, it has added a beautiful blue to this also. Overall, on a scale to 1 to 10, I am extremely happy with this piece. Those cells in the end were just, I couldn't ask for better. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this one. I think I had enough time to show you the dry results. Now, these dried beautifully and overnight. I'm actually excited about that. But you can see the gold, especially right there across the top. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free and it really does help. I want to thank you again for being here today and hope you come back again soon. Bye now.